In today's video, let's talk about on how to use the Chime 2-day early paycheck feature. So if you're trying to receive the paycheck early as soon as it has been released from your payroll provider or from your office, in this video, let's talk about it. So the way that you do it within Chime is you simply need to head over to the Move option, and within Move, you just need to set up and find your employer, and you need to generate a pre-filled form. So within the Move Money section, you'll be able to see the option called Direct Deposit being displayed. You simply need to tap on the Direct Deposit option. And as I said, you simply need to find your employer and you need to generate a pre-filled form. As soon as you complete this and as soon as you copy your credentials, you'll be able to set up the direct deposit. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to receive your paycheck early as soon as it receives on your payroll provider. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.